Welcome back to rTech. In today's video, we will check out the Nexon Automatic, its infotainment system upgrade, and some key issues that were fixed. So it's a new trend started by Tata, an orange color, showcasing the automatic version of the Nexon. So the Nexon is actually available in petrol and diesel, and both options have an optional AMT transmission, which you can opt for. This particular model which I have is diesel, which is just done about 600 kilometers. So let's have a look at that later in the video. So here's some more on the car. They've done a good job on the gear lever. It's small, unique. The car is so bulky from the outside, but the controls are so small and compact, and it's unique. So the diesel also gets the 3 sport modes: City, Eco, and Sport mode. Again, you have this nice small little gear lever. I wish it could have been a little smaller than this, but it's still small and very, very simple to use. So one of the key things about this car is its Harman music system, which also has a nice 6.5-inch display. It's also got some key car functions that it controls, like climate, etc. So if you're a Nexon owner, I'm sure you've already seen this. Just remember that there are some new software updates. The latest system, software update system that this is running is actually the software version known as R11.40, and the release date is 15th February 2018. I think most of you are running the softwares which were released last year. So this is some new update for you guys. I'm not sure what's the key difference in this update. I didn't find anything different. I also noticed some small things in the MID. So how does the automatic diesel perform? I'm not here to do a complete car review or talk about the engine, etc., because most of us already know it. It's a great engine, performs really well. I love those backlit buttons on all our controls. So when I tried different driving occasions and different kilometer settings on the trip meter, I noticed that I was able to hit an average of 17 to 19 kilometers per liter of diesel. So that's a very good number, considering that this is a 1.5 liter turbocharged diesel engine giving about 110 PS of power. So that's the mileage figures, about 17 and 19 for a journey of about 30 kilometers, and on an average for 580 kilometers it's done about 17.4, so which is impressive. Some of the other things that you need to keep in mind for this car, which came up recently, I saw it in Team PHP in some places, that there were some heating issues in the headlight projector unit, which was causing some wires to burn up. So what they mentioned was that they're putting in a silicone pad in between the headlamp and the projector. So as you see right now, it has nothing in it. The headlamp it's uniquely placed. The bulb is not actually in the middle of the unit. Just keep that in mind. So what the service center guys did was insert a piece of silicone. That's the packet there. It's about $100, I guess, for a pair. And all they did was just, insert this into the slot so that, the projector lamps do not heat anything else inside. That's about it. Have a look at it. PEP variable key. So this is something that I think many owners are actually facing problems from Tata. I mean, it's not being provided on time, and this comes free with the XZ8 Plus, and that's something which I've not seen yet. So that's my small video on the Tata Nexon Automatic. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.